I've been making a lazy hairstyle, but I think this particular one deserves an award. Hey, my loves, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine because me, I'm good. If you are new here and you don't know my name is Norma. Hope you are good. Hope you are fine. Welcome to the family. Do well to subscribe if you haven't done that. So, firstly, water to hydrate, leave-in conditioner to moisturize, and hair oil. No, not hair oil. Hair cream to seal in the moisture. I was actually laughing at myself here because I repeated something like more than 4 times just for me to get it right. Anyways, that is one of the things we see. So this is the lazy hairstyle I'm making. I actually saw the hairstyle somewhere, but I don't know why I deleted the main picture. So I had to use my own. So, you guys, nothing really much. Like when I said, I have been making a lazy hairstyle, but this particular one deserves an award. I'm telling you. And this particular hairstyle, if you must make the hairstyle, I will advise that you part your hair bit by bit, and you know the way they always use tiny rubbers to hold them before making it. Do it that way if you can, like if you have the time. As for me, I don't have the time. I'm good at grabbing big hair, so but if you're not good at grabbing hair, please do it that way because this hair is going to suffer you. And thank God my hair was soft. That is why I was able to, grab it the way I did. If not, I would have just, give up because it was not easy at all. I have been, carrying a slick back or other hairstyle, and I got tired of it. So I was like, you know what, let me do something else. I beg. I don't want to comb my hair for some days. So let me just do this thing that I'm doing right here. And well, I can say it turned out good. I don't know, but at least my hair is well packed. That's just it. Okay, so if you are trying to make a lazy hairstyle and you don't know anyone to do, please try this one. And if your hair is not soft, don't go for it. Like I said, because ega ta hon akagega fugo. Your hand will pain you. I mean, your hand will pain you. Please don't say I didn't warn you. I did. Okay. And if you're wondering why I'm not using gel, okay, please, I don't want anything that will cause build up on my hair because I don't want to be washing my hair all the time. It affects my hair and yours as well. If you are washing your hair every blessed week, trust me, you are damaging your hair. You are not doing your hair anything good rather than bad. So stop washing your hair every week. Thank you. Okay? But if you want to use gel, you can also use gel to get a neat braid. But for me, I don't want. I'm not using it. Okay? Thank you.
I